why this works. Everything you would normally whip up for French toast is all right here. Your eggs, your milk, your sugar. Toast in your life. This is for you. The 2-ingredient hack that'll change the way you make French toast forever. It's easy, it's affordable, and here's where the magic happens. When that ice cream hits the hot pan, it caramelizes right into the bread.
If I had known that's all you needed to do to make French toast, I would have had French toast an unhealthy amount of times. A long day at work, it was a bad day, I would have made some French toast. It's hot outside. I'm not in a rush to get home. Let the ice cream melt. I'm making French toast. If I had a good day, something to celebrate, I probably would have started a French toast business. They'd be like, what advice would you give your younger self? I would have told my younger self how to make French toast. I probably would have been outside on the corner. The line would have been waiting for me to be like, yeah, we waiting on this ice cream to melt. I probably would have been grilling. I probably would have I probably would have threw the pan on the grill, threw the butter in the pan, let that grill. I'd be like, yeah, the ice cream melting. Dip the bread in, bro. Just imagine somebody had ever said that. You would never forget it in your life. If somebody would have said to you, dip the bread in the, I can't even say it. Dip the bread in the melted. Dip the bread in the melted ice cream. Yeah, let the ice cream melt. Dip that bread in there. Make some French toast.